Hey, super creators! Get ready to unleash your inner costume designer because today we're diving into the most exciting Halloween challenge ever. Forget boring store-bought outfits. We're making our own amazing, unique, and super-duper spooky costumes right from home. Did you know that tons of people love dressing up for Halloween? It's true! And guess what's even more fun than wearing a costume? Making it yourself. It's a fantastic family activity and a super creative project for kids and crafters of all ages. Today, we're going on an epic adventure to transform everyday items into incredible Halloween masterpieces. Imagine turning old sheets and cardboard boxes into something truly magical and totally unique. No need to rush to the store when your imagination is the best costume shop around. Sometimes, finding that perfect costume can be a real head-scratcher, right? Store costumes can be pricey, and everyone might end up looking the same. We want something special, super cool, and maybe even a little bit silly spooky. That's our awesome challenge today, and we know you're up for it. We're going to show you how to craft costumes that are not only unique, but also bursting with your own creative flair. Get ready to impress all your friends and family with your incredible DIY skills. This is where the real Halloween fun begins. Let's jump into some fantastic ideas that are easy and fun for everyone. First up, the classic mummy. Grab an old white sheet, ask a grown-up first, and tear it into long strips. Then, wrap yourself up like a friendly ancient mummy. Don't forget to add some big, spooky eyes for extra effect. Next, let's build an awesome robot. All you need are some cardboard boxes for the body and head, shiny aluminum foil, and colorful markers for buttons and lights. It's so simple to construct, and you can decorate it however you like. Get ready to do your best robot dance. Now for our absolute standout costume, a true Halloween classic with a fun twist, the super spooky ghost. This one is perfect for kids and families looking for a quick, creative project. All you need is a white sheet, some dark felt, scissors, always ask an adult for help, and a little string. Drape the sheet over yourself, mark where your eyes should be, and have an adult carefully cut out 2 friendly ghost eyes from the felt. Stick them on and voila! You're a super spooky, super cute ghost ready to float around and say boo! It's a fantastic craft that brings so much joy. Wow! We've crafted a fantastic mummy, a cool robot, and a super spooky ghost, all from things we've found right at home. See how easy and incredibly fun it is to create your very own unique Halloween look? Your imagination is truly your best costume shop, and these creative projects are perfect for family activity time. Every stitch, every cut, and every decoration makes your costume uniquely yours. It's all about having fun, being creative, and making memories together. These kids' crafts are not just costumes, they're wearable works of art. Which of these awesome DIY costumes was your favorite? Tell us in the comments below. We love hearing your ideas and seeing your creative projects. If you want more fantastic DIY tips, Halloween fun, and inspiring kids' crafts, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our next adventure. Happy Halloween, super creators, and keep crafting your magic!